In my first restaurant when I was 16, and I would look out into the dining room because it was an open kitchen, and I would watch my dish go to the table, and when I would see the people eating the dish, kind of like woke something up inside of me. You know, it gives me a sense of pride, you know, that I made that. It was a great feeling. It really was. I'm French trained. My first chef was a French chef, and he was very simple. He made stuff very, very simple. His motto was back to the basics, and all the ingredients have to stand out. It's all about the quality of the product. The quality comes first. It has to be fresh. You know, fresh seafood is the most beautiful seafood. My name is Angel Leon, and this is the Panamei Journey.